nice amateur takedown gets things to the mat.
What a punch!
Bradshaw hammers one home.
Oh my gosh, turned inside out.
He lights up his chest with that chop. A shot to the gut. He misjudged the range on that one. Oh! Kane felt all of that.
You hear how his leg connected? The punch connects. A big fist to the gut.
Ow! And that one definitely hit hard.
Oh no! Talk about getting launched out of the ring. Folded up, end over end.
There's the kick. He almost beheaded his opponent with that clothesline.
Ow, what an elbow. What a body shot.
And that was a huge shot. Blocks the chops. And a kick. And he unloads with everything he's got. What a perfectly executed submission. And he's out.
He makes the tag.
There's the roll-up.
Oh, what a right hand.
Bradshaw measuring his opponent. I can't believe it. Man, that had to hurt. Bradshaw covers. And X-Pac kicks out at one.
You know, there's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. Someone may need to stop this matchup and patch that hole in X-Pac's head. Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for.
X-Pac, quicker than a hiccup, get caught in that.
Oh, big DDT. That could be it.
A little bit of intimidation here from the big horse known as Bradshaw.
X-Pac's in trouble.